This car is Toyota Corolla Altis I-VTEC 1.8cc year 2009 to 2014. The problem of the car is that after starting the check engine light is on, and while driving the car has very low speed power. The car consumes more petrol than before. While driving the car, when the engine RPM changes suddenly increases. To solve these problems, watch this video today. You can repair it, inshallah. My best wishes and congratulations from this channel. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel. Next, click the bell button to get the video and share the video with your friends. Be sure to check your vehicle with an I-scan computer to find out what caused the check engine light to come on. First, I would check with the scan computer to see if the check engine light came on. For a problem, Auto Lens Scan 3 will check with the computer to see if there is a problem. If your car has this kind of problem, you must go to your known car repair center and get the car scan computer checked and repaired. I check this car has no engine code, so I will check this transmission code. Transmission fault code P2763, true converter, clutch pressure control, solenoid control circuit high. In the beginning of the video I said that what are the problems of the car. Number 1, petrol takes a little more than before. Number 2, the car suddenly jerks while driving. Number 3, the engine RPM increases suddenly while driving the car. Number 4, it is difficult to change the gear while driving the car. Number 5, car drive time is very low power. Watch full video to solve this problem. Code P2763. How can repairs fix the P2763 code? Any defective wiring or components in the torque converter pressure control solenoid circuit should be replaced as necessary. If the specific problem is transmission fluid related, the fluid should either be replaced or topped up. Check TCC solenoid and replace if not working. First, turn off the car's ignition switch to check what the problem is. Remove the front bonnet hood. Check the gearbox war socket. Check all the solenoid wire connection sockets inside the gearbox. Check the socket carefully to see if there is any problem in the connection, and if there is any problem, repair it. Make sure that there is any kind of dirt that may cause the disconnection, because this connection is the gearbox. Controls all the solenoids inside. I will open the socket now and see if there are any problems. Open the socket and pull the wires to check if there is any loose connection. The connection from the TCU/ECU control box is made through sockets inside the gearbox. The socket in the gearbox is dirty, so clean it with a useful cleaning spray. Check the dirty wire socket by spraying it like this. If the problem is not solved, follow the next step. Follow step number 2 and remove the auto transmission oil from your gearbox, and I'll show you how. First, remove this screw 6mm size lane key, remove the transmission CVTF fluid. 6mm size lane key, drain nut and filler tube inside the gearbox to open screwdriver, normal size, removal of various shields. Remove all the 10mm size screws around the gearbox oil pan and remove the oil pan. Now I open all the square and clean them. When the screws are open, remove the auto gearbox oil pan. Note that if the auto transmission gets dirty after using for a long time, you may have this problem. Change the auto filter and CVTTC transmission oil. The auto transmission of this car has been newly changed, no dirt, very clean. Remove the auto filter. Now check the cable sockets and cables carefully to see if there is any loose connection in any cable or socket. If there is a problem with the cable or socket, get it repaired. To find out which valve body solenoid is the problem, you can connect a wire to check which one is not working, so remove all solenoid wire sockets to check. This 3-valve solenoid 1-wire socket ECU/TCU supply voltage connection. So touch like this with supply bolt positive like this. If working then definitely sound like this, and if problem or not working then control valve solenoid no sound. See, I tested number 1 and number 2 sound, so solenoid valve 2 is good and number 3 no sound. The number 3 valve makes no noise, so it's a problem and replaced. Now there are 2 more valve solenoids on the back side, but these 2 are 2-wire socket connections, so test like this. Connect one wire to the supply voltage and touch the body guard with the other wire. Both rear side solenoid valves are good with no issues. Touching the body of the gearbox with the wire makes the bow work very well. The 2 solenoids of the black color socket are fine, there is no problem, but the solenoid valve of the green color socket is not working. You can check in this way that there is no sound from the solenoid, then you will understand that the solenoid valve body sensor has a problem and change it. Inshallah the problem will be solved. We'll show you how to open the solenoid valve body sensor and install the new replacement one in the next new video, so check out the next video.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.